Hello guys, I call this content FaceFood. I have these two food condiments in my hands. This is African brown honey, not those golden things you see from the shelves of shops, and this is turmeric. You can see it. I'm not advertising for any product. I'm going to show you how to use these two food condiments to have, especially for the ladies, to have a smooth face, you know, for those that have pimples and patches on their face. So watch out and see how I'm going to do that. So we have a transparent container here for us to do the mixture. This is the turmeric and this is the honey, like I said earlier. You take 2 spoons of turmeric. 2 spoons of turmeric. Can you see it? 2 spoons of turmeric. So depending on the quantity, we just added 2 spoons of turmeric. Then we're now adding the honey. We're adding 3 scoops of honey. That's 2. Then mix it thoroughly. Mix the honey and turmeric thoroughly. You can see what it's turning into a paste, very brownish paste. So after mixing it thoroughly, for the whole ingredients to blend very, very well, you now allow this mixture to stay for 24 hours. Allow this mixture to stay for 24 hours to allow the whole ingredients of turmeric and honey to blend very, very well inside it. Then you apply this mixture. This is the mixture. Apply it on your face. Allow it to go evenly round your face. Then use your hand to massage this solution well into your face. Massage it well into your face. Then after this, you allow it to stay on your face for 1 hour. Allow this solution to stay on your face for 1 hour. After the solution has stayed for 1 hour on your face, you now use warm water with soap to wash the whole ointment from your face. Do this morning and evening every day for 2 weeks and you'll see the result. But do one thing for me: take a picture before and after 2 weeks. Take a picture before you start this therapy on your face, and take the picture 2 weeks after this therapy on your face, and I would love to see your comments. Thank you. Like and share.